Hey everyone, it's Miss Roberts here. Today we are going to do a really cool project about pixel art, but more specifically, it's pixel art in real life. So if you've ever seen any post-it notes in Windows, I have some examples here so you know what I'm talking about, or in case you haven't seen them in real life, can see some different examples here. And today we're going to be designing our own design like this and then learn some math that goes along with it. So I'm going to take you over to one of my favorite websites. This is called UCubed, and it's actually put together by one of my teachers from Stanford. So shout out to Joe Bowler. If you go on UCubed and then you click on tasks and more, you can find UCubed at home. And this is a bunch of cool activities that they've come up with for while we're all stuck inside during the pandemic. The one that we're going to do today is pixel art on Windows. The materials that you'll need for this is Post-its if you want to actually make it on a window. If you don't have Post-its, or if you don't really feel like putting something on a window in your apartment or in your house, there also are some different tools here where you can actually do it online. We're going to watch this video together, and they're going to give us some directions on how to actually do this.
Hello, UCubed at Home friends. This is Mansa from the UCubed team, and today I'm going to tell you about an activity called Pixel Art on Windows. And I'm really excited about it because it's like fun and artsy, but also has tons of math involved. So we were inspired by, I don't know if you've seen this, but lots of people are making art with Post-it notes on their windows to cheer up their neighbors and like make their houses look more fun. And we wanted to think about all the math that happens as they're doing that. So first part of the activity, you want to design your own pixel art. So you can do it by hand on grid paper is really helpful for that, or you can use, there's pixel art software. Like here you can see a screenshot of what I used to design mine. So these little concentric hearts are what I decided to design for my window. And then I put it together. Here's a little, very, very fast, sped up clip of me making it. So that was a lot of fun for me, and I liked the idea of having those hearts on my windows and love to my neighbors as we're all stuck at home for a little bit. But there's a lot of really good questions to ask as you're doing it. So I don't know if you saw it because I was doing it super fast in that video, but I had to do a lot of counting, figuring out what direction things are going in, how many of each, whether a stack is parallel or like perpendicular, where do I stack the next ones. There's a lot of thinking to do there. Also, before I did it, I actually had to measure my window and figure out the size of the Post-it notes to see if it would fit on my window, which maybe I should have done before designing it. So there's a lot of that, thinking about how many Post-its across your window is. Are you going to use a different window, maybe a different wall, or like are you going to use smaller Post-its? They do have them different sizes. So figuring it out, making sure it'll fit, that your design will be the right size. In terms of designs, I mean, I just drew my own, but also you can look things up. Cross-stitch patterns are basically pixel art. A lot of video game art, especially older video games, were made like that with little pixels. So there's tons of things you can draw from. And, you know, what do you want to share with your neighbors? People are going to see it, hopefully. So have some fun with it.
All right, if you want to watch more of this video, you can find it on UCubed. We're going to pause it there so you can go and work on your own pixel art. And please send me photos or leave comments below on this YouTube. If you would like to email me with your photos, then I can also feature them. If you're a student at MLK, you can find my email on our class website. All right, I will see you soon. Have fun with your pixel art. Bye.